for just showing a quick how to use the current SFW Aide website. You first go to sfwaide.com, then click on Starfleet Warlord Aide. This is just initial page. It might look different by the time you actually listen to this. So click there. You see you have ship orders, extra orders, and starbase orders. This will all be blank to begin with. And the first thing you want to do is you need to load up your orders. So you, as part of your turn, you'll be sent in a web orders _ corp, your corp number .json file. So you need to save that locally. You have to save it locally, however you do that, from your mail client, and click choose files. I name mine web orders.json so I don't show whose this was. And here it is. You have the movements here, and then if you scroll down, you'll see extra orders and starbase. So you have 3 starbase orders and 20 extra orders. So nice and simple. Now this, as I said, this you can type in whatever the order is. Okay, let's say 16. Or 3, 1602, and so forth. And it's really simple, as in it is pretty dumb. So if I type in XXXX, it doesn't matter. It doesn't recognize. Oh, wait a minute! I shouldn't have entered that into that. No, it doesn't validate what you currently have entered into those fields. It just makes sure that you don't try something like this one. That's 5 characters. It will recognize. It has the most simplest thing, which is it checks to make sure the length is correct. For example, another one is if you go down here. Okay, you've got your order, your parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then long. So obviously, one of the things you can do is you can type in like purchase, ship. Okay, the P is not one. O and slaver ship. So voila. Now, if you type in OPPS, you'll notice that it also recognizes, hey, wait a minute, there's only supposed to be 2 characters in the order column. And after you're all said and done, you need to do a save. So this is going to save there. And I'm on a Mac, so it's going to save it with a weborders-1.json file. Now, one key thing you should not do, which is a refresh. If you do a refresh, it goes this. Everything is blanked out. You lose everything. That's why after you're said and done, when you're done entering your orders, you need to click save so it will locally save. That might change in the future, but at the moment, that's the way it works. So if you're going to work on the whole idea of this website is to have a very simple tool that people can use to enter their order. If they want to use electronic form, enter their orders, save them, and then send me those orders. In this case, that JSON file, the file with the .json extension. And I will take that and I will run that as your turn file. So if you're on vacation or someplace, or even on a tablet, because I've actually tried this out and it works perfectly fine on an iPad. I don't have an Android tablet, so I'm assuming it would work there too. That is, take it from an email that you get, extract it from the turn, save it locally onto that device, then bring up this website on your tablet, and then from there you should be able to see, your orders, and then you can enter them in. As I said, it's very crude. There's no special keys for like scan terrain or scan ships or prospecting, that all has to be done by you. So let's go back here. So yeah, actually web orders 2. That's the saved one, so you'll see that these are this way. Now, for all those special orders, when it comes to ships, they have to be on the column 1. So if you need to, prospecting, let's say with this D7A, what you do is go in here and you go PRSP. And you can overwrite the none. So, you can enter in those special orders yourself and it will work fine. Just click save and you've saved a copy. So that is the way it currently works. It might be updated in the future to be have a little more power to it when it comes to let you to enter in your orders. So enjoy.